Spring and summer, America's peak home buying season is just around the corner. With friends and family settling into new homes, it's time to find the perfect housewarming gifts. Today, we're sharing 5 outstanding gadgets for 2025 that will wow any homeowner. Let's dive in. Meet the Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. The perfect way to enjoy your drink at the ideal temperature every time. It keeps your drink hot for up to 80 minutes or all day on its charging coaster. Set your ideal temperature with the Ember app, or let it default to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. The mug's sensors wake it up when you pour a hot drink and sleep when not in use, with an LED light to show when your beverage is ready. Durable and easy to clean, it's scratch-resistant and fully submersible up to 1 meter, hand wash only. Upgrade your coffee game with the Ember Mug 2. Introducing the InspireX touchscreen display, Smart Toaster 2, where advanced technology meets everyday convenience. The large intuitive touchscreen gives you full control to customize your toasting preferences with ease. With 60+ programs, choose from 8 bread types, 7 browning levels, and functions like defrost, reheat, and add time. The automatic lowering system gently handles your bread with a press of the start button. Fast heating coils ensure perfect toast, while the countdown display tracks your progress. When you're done, the removable crumb tray makes cleanup a breeze. The InspireX Smart Toaster 2, elevating your mornings. Meet the Electrolux Rechargeable Fabric Shaver, your all-in-one solution for effortless fabric care. Its multifunction LED display shows battery life, speed, and charging status, keeping you in control. Choose from 3 speed settings for delicate, thick, or durable fabrics. The fast-charging battery delivers up to 180 minutes of use, while the large detachable lint collector ensures hassle-free cleanup. Complete with a blade protector and versatile accessories, it's perfect for clothing, bedding, and furniture care. Introducing the nesting grill baskets with removable wooden handles, your ultimate BBQ companion. The beechwood handles provide excellent grip, heat insulation, and stability while grilling. With an innovative nesting design, the baskets and accessories fit neatly together for compact storage. Made from durable, food-grade 304 stainless steel with a mirror-polished finish, they're easy to clean and safe for your family. Perfect for grilling veggies, shrimp, or meat, these baskets make every meal a masterpiece. Beautifully packaged, they're an ideal gift for any BBQ enthusiast. Discover the Pour 3-in-1 wine dispenser, designed to transform your wine experience. This innovative tool combines a dispenser, aerator, and vacuum stopper, oxygenating your wine to enhance flavors and aromas. Preserve freshness for up to 10 days with the smart vacuum stopper that removes air to slow oxidation. With adjustable pour settings and a sleek digital display, you can monitor temperature and pressure for perfect servings. Rechargeable and waterproof, it's built for convenience and durability. Whether you're a beginner or a connoisseur, elevate every pour with the Pour wine dispenser. Please check out the product's link below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.